Good evening, boys and girls, and welcome to another flip video. Yesterday we were talking about addition and subtraction with our traditional method, and so this week, or this video, we are going to be expanding the numbers. So the subject of our video today will be Pokemon, and the most recent release is, as you know, Pokemon Go. And when I was looking up some numbers, that 78,500 or 456, I believe that was with the amount of players within the first couple of days. And Pokemon Red, the game that came out when I was your age, they had in the first couple months or so, or weeks, I forget exactly, 56,322 units were sold. So now I'm curious, between the version that came out when you were in 4th grade and the version that came out when I was in 4th grade, how many total units were sold? So if you remember back from our video on Monday about our clue words, we know total right here is a clue word for addition. So I will need to be adding this number plus that number. But we're going to be doing an expanded form. So what that looks like would be 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 6. Then we would have 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 2. Now we add up each place value, so we get an 8 there, we get a 70 there, we get a 700 there, we get a 14,000 there, and then finally this would give us a 120,000 because 5 plus 7 is 12. Then finally my last step is to combine all of these. That would give me a 78. Carry this over, that would give me a 778. Carry that over, that would give me a 14,778. And then combining that, that would give me a 134,778. Check if that's reasonable. On the next one, I will show you how you actually check this, but that would be my correct answer. So it says Mr. B has spent 6,789 hours playing Pokemon Go, which seems like a lot of time. That might not be accurate. And 12,540 playing Pokemon Red. How much more time was spent playing Red than Go? So I remember from Monday that more than is going to be a clue that's going to let me know that it's subtraction. So I will do this in expanded form. So it would be Pokemon Red would be 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 0. And then Pokemon Go would be 6,000, making sure I'm lining up my place values, plus 700 plus 80 plus 9. Now this time I'm subtracting. So I can't take 9 from 0 as we showed in the last one, so I need to borrow a group of 10, which would make this become 30, and now this becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 30 minus 80, well, I can't do that, so I need to go borrow a group, making this 400, and making this 130. So 130 minus 80 is 50. 400 minus 700 cannot do that, so I need to borrow a group from that. So that becomes 1,000. This becomes 1,400. 1,400 minus 700 becomes 700. 1,000 minus 6,000, again, I can't do that. A lot of borrowing in this problem. So because I only have 10,000, and that's the whole place value, this all actually would become a 0, and then this transfers over there. So then I would have 11,000 minus 6,000 goes to there. So then I start totaling these up. So 51, 751, 5,751. Now I will make this one a little bit smaller so we can practice it. So I need to add these to make it, to check my work. So it'd be 5,000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 1 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 9. So 1 plus 9 gives me 10. 50 plus 80 gives me 130. 700 plus 700 gives me 1400. And that would give me 11,000. Now I start combining these. So this would give me 140. This would give me 1,540. And this would give me 12,540, which this matches my top number right there. So now that I know I'm correct. So for your bring back to school problem, I want you to find the difference of 120,321 and 34,594. I do want you to do an expanded form. This week is the only time I'll really tell you what strategy I want you to use. But it's all up to personal preference. Expanded form sometimes takes a little bit longer writing out all those numbers, but it does help you understand your place values a little bit. So that's all I've got for you this evening. I shall talk to you in the morning.